Today we want to learn how to calculate rates. Okay, we studied before in Unit 1 meaning of ratio, also properties of ratio, and we solved some miscellaneous exercises on the ratio and its properties. Last session we studied the ratio among three numbers. Today let's talk about rate. Okay, let's start with the definition of the rate. The rate also is a ratio between two quantities, but in this case the quantities of different kinds. Okay, and the rate has units. The unit of the rate is the unit of the first quantity per each unit of the second quantity. Let's clarify this definition by examples. The first example here is a factory produces 180,000 bottles of soda water in 24 hours. Calculate the rate of the production. Okay, I want to calculate the rate of production. It means how many bottles in 1 hour, not 24. So of course, we will divide 180,000 by 24. Okay, rates always division. Okay, the result will be 7,500 bottles per hour. So each hour, this factory produced 7,500 bottles. Okay, let's move to another example. Here we have a printer prints 52 papers within 4 minutes. Calculate the rate of printing of this printer. Okay, so this printer prints 52 papers during 4 minutes. Okay, I want how many paper in 1 minute. So also I'll divide 52 by 4. The result will be 13. So this printer prints 13 papers each minute, or 13 papers per minute. This is the rate. Okay. Another example. Sami drove 192 kilometers in 3 hours. At first, what was Sami's average speed? And how long would it take Sami to drive 352 kilometers? Okay, let's start with A. I want the average speed. Average speed, it means how many kilometers in 1 hour. So I'll divide 192 divided by 3. The result will be 64 kilometers per hour. So each hour he drove 64 kilometers. Okay. Now I want the time needed to drive 352 kilometers. So I'll divide 352 by 64. This is 64. Okay. So the result will be 5 hours and a half, or 5.5 hours. So he needs 5.5 hours to drive 352 kilometers. Okay. Example number 4, we have a machine. This machine produces 500 meters of cloth in 2 hours. Another machine produces 600 meters of the same cloth, but here in 2 hours and a half. Which machine is better? The better machine is the highest in rate. Okay, the higher in rate is the better machine. So I should calculate the rate of the first machine and the rate of the second machine. Let's see the rate of production of the first machine. Here we have 500. Yes, divided by 2. So 250 meters per hour. What about the second machine? 600 over 2.5. 2 hours and a half. So the result will be 240 meters per hour. So which machine is better? Yes, of course, the first machine is better because it's higher in the rate of production. Okay, that's all about our lesson today. It's a very easy lesson. Next lesson, we will discuss or we will make a general revision on Unit 1. Thank you very much and good luck.